What's up guys, this is Shan Heather, and in this video we are going to have a quick look and a hands-on experience of the Honor Magic 3 Pro. So here we go. So the Honor Magic 3 Pro comes with Qualcomm Snapdragon 888 Plus processor, 8GB RAM, 256GB storage. The device is IP68 water resistant. We got 4600 mAh battery with 66 watt fast charging and 66 watt fast wireless charging. We got the in-display optical fingerprint sensor along with the Face ID feature. Now talking about the design and build quality, at the first glance this phone reminds me of Mate 40 Pro both from the front and the back side. The only difference is that the screen to body ratio is better. On the front side we got a huge 6.76 inch screen with 95% screen to body ratio. The bezels are virtually non-existent. The screen is curved and it looks so beautiful and premium. At the bottom we got the speaker grills, USB Type-C port, the microphone and the SIM card tray slot. There is no memory card slot provided on the Magic 3 Pro. On the back side we got a huge circular camera module, once again inspired from the Mate 40 Pro, and we got the glass back panel on the black and white color variant and the vegan leather on the golden hour variant. On the right hand side we got the volume rockers and the power key, and at the top we got another speaker grill, a microphone, IR blaster along with some antenna lines. So we got the DTX stereo speakers on the Honor Magic 3 Pro, and this is the first ever smartphone that is IMAX enhanced certified. So the entertainment on this device, because of the huge screen and great quality speakers, is going to be very nice. Talking about the display, we got OLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it supports HDR10+, DCI-P3 color gamut and 1.07 billion colors reproduction. And it comes with Delta E value less than 0.8, so the color accuracy is great, the screen is super bright, and the viewing experience is going to be so amazing on the Honor Magic 3 Pro. Talking about the software side, the Magic 3 Pro is going to come with the Android 11 and Magic UI 5. The pre-production demo unit I got for the testing purpose came with an older variant of the software as dummy, and most of the features weren't available and not actually compatible with the device. So as you can see here, it is showing the Android version is 7, Magic UI version is 2, the amount of RAM is just 2GB, internal storage is only 32GB, as the device I'm holding in my hand is a pre-production test unit. But as we already know that Magic UI is actually the Emotion UI with a different branding, and Emotion UI is a very feature-rich software. Now talking about the camera, Honor Magic 3 Pro comes with a 50 megapixel primary camera. We got a huge 64MP monochrome camera that can capture amazing quality portrait. We got a 13 megapixel ultra wide camera and 64 megapixel telephoto camera with 3.5x optical zoom, 10x hybrid zoom and 100x digital zoom. It also comes with optical image stabilization and face detection autofocus. And then we got an 8x8 time of flight camera on Magic 3 Pro as well for faster focusing and great quality portrait images. On the front side we got a 13 megapixel 100-degree ultra wide camera with a time of flight 3D sensor that you can use for Face ID feature, and it also contributes in the enhancing the portrait images. Talking about the color variants, between the white and black color variants, the black one looks more beautiful and premium compared to the white one, because the glossy back panel of the white variant of the Honor Magic 3 Pro does not look as premium as or as beautiful as the black one. So that's all for now friends. This was just a quick hands-on and first impression video of the Honor Magic 3 Pro that I just wanted to share with all of you. So if you enjoyed watching this one, then give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, subscribe the channel, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notification for future uploads. And I'll see you guys next time in another video. Have a nice day.